Hi, everyone! Today, let's practice daily routine sentences. Speak slowly and clearly. Ready? Let's go! I walk downstairs. I walk downstairs. I enter the kitchen. I enter the kitchen. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I take vegetables from the fridge. I take vegetables. I prepare lunch. I prepare lunch. I cut an onion. I cut an onion. My eyes are burning. My eyes are burning. I wash vegetables. I wash vegetables. I slice tomatoes. I slice tomatoes. I chop carrots. I chop carrots. I fill the kettle. I fill kettle. I switch it on. I switch it on. I choose a cup. I choose a cup. I add tea. I add tea. I pour hot water. I pour hot water. I take bread. I take bread. I toast bread. I toast bread. I wait quietly. I wait quietly. I spread butter. I spread butter. I smell the tea. I smell the tea. I enjoy breakfast. I enjoy breakfast. I sip slowly. I sip slowly. I feel warm. I feel warm. I cut fruit. I cut fruit. I crack an egg. I crack an egg. I fry the egg. I fry the egg. I wash grapes. I wash grapes. I peel a banana. I peel a banana. I hold my bowl. I hold my bowl. I eat cereal. I eat cereal. I taste honey. I taste honey. I chew slowly. I chew slowly. I drink juice. I drink juice. I finish eating. I finish eating. I clear the table. I clear the table. I rinse plates. I rinse plates. I carry dishes. I carry dishes. I clean forks. I clean forks. I dry everything. I dry everything. I return cups. I return cups. I wipe counters. I wipe counters. I close cupboards. I close cupboards. Now subscribe to Easy English Daily. Bye-bye.